Hi guys, I'm Raunak. Liv Morgan didn't have the best time on the recent WWE Raw episode after Dominic Mysterio rejected her in front of Rhea Ripley. However, the Women's World Champion could ensure in other ways that she will get the last laugh. After Liv Morgan injured Rhea Ripley in April 2024, not only did she take the Women's World Championship from the Eradicator, but attempted to get her on-screen boyfriend Dominic Mysterio. However, after the former champion returned 2 weeks ago, the couple has rekindled and Liv Morgan was left alone again after Dominic Mysterio claimed he didn't want her. Still, the champion could play a few more games before she clashes with her rival at SummerSlam pay-per-view next. So in this video, I'll mention 4 things that Liv Morgan can do after getting rejected by Dominic Mysterio. So let's get started without wasting any time. For the past few months, Liv Morgan didn't just try to win over Dominic Mysterio, but the rest of the Judgment Day. She gave them materialistic items and even helped Finn Balor and JD McDonough win the World Tag Team Championship. One star who wasn't never in favor of Liv Morgan is Damian Priest. Like Liv Morgan, Damian Priest is a champion and will defend the World Heavyweight Championship at SummerSlam pay-per-view 2024. However, after Dominic Mysterio's action on WWE Raw, Liv Morgan could sneakily attack El Campeon backstage to let Gunther weaken his rival before the live premium event. In this way, the group could blame Dominic Mysterio and even Rhea Ripley, driving them further from each other. One major theory about Liv Morgan, Dominic Mysterio and Rhea Ripley's story is that another person is involved, Finn Balor. Many think there have been hints that Liv Morgan and he has been working with each other for a while and she could finally reveal it soon. Before SummerSlam pay-per-view, Liv Morgan and Rhea Ripley could have a confrontation with Dominic Mysterio present. However, before it gets physical, Dominic Mysterio can prevent this and Finn Balor arrives, only to reveal that he was there to support Liv Morgan. In this way, the champion could also showcase that she isn't as alone as her rivals. SummerSlam 2024 pay-per-view is shaping up to be a must-see event for wrestling fans, especially as the card grows. Liv Morgan vs Rhea Ripley is arguably one of the biggest matches in the card, and as champion, Liv Morgan could pull some strings to ensure it won't happen. Liv Morgan has more say about the match as Women's World Champion. She could threaten Rhea Ripley that since she lost Dominic Mysterio, she won't risk losing the title and go to Adam Pearce to call off the match. Another thing Morgan can do is pretend an injury so the match could be called off. Brawling before a premium live event, especially for a championship, is common in WWE. Just this week, Damian Priest and Gunther did so before their title match. CM Punk and Drew McIntyre also almost engaged in one. It wouldn't be a surprise if Liv Morgan and Rhea Ripley also brawl next, but with a twist. Instead of Liv attacking Rhea, she can attack Dominic Mysterio instead as a way to weaken Rhea Ripley's walls. In this way, the Eradicator won't have to risk getting physical with somebody before SummerSlam pay-per-view 2024. So guys, what do you think? Do you wanna see Rhea Ripley as the new WWE champion, or do you wanna see Liv Morgan as the champion? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. I'll be back with a new interesting video. Thanks for watching this video. Check the other videos. See ya.